Hi everyone, I'm Mayim Bialik, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning. You know, when I first heard the term machine learning, I thought of robots taking over the world like in those sci-fi movies. But in reality, it's much cooler and way less scary. Machine learning is basically teaching computers to learn from data, just like we humans do. Imagine a computer program that can analyze tons of information and use it to make predictions or decisions. That's machine learning in a nutshell. It's becoming super important in our world because we have so much data these days. From our online shopping habits to our social media posts, it's all data, and machine learning helps us make sense of it all. Think about it. Every time you use a search engine, machine learning algorithms are at work, helping you find the most relevant information. Or when you get personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming service, that's machine learning analyzing your viewing habits. Even self-driving cars rely on machine learning to navigate and make real-time decisions on the road. In healthcare, machine learning is revolutionizing how we diagnose diseases and develop treatments by analyzing vast amounts of medical data. The applications are endless, from finance to entertainment, and it's only going to grow more influential. So, while it might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, machine learning is very much a part of our everyday lives, making things easier, faster, and smarter. And who knows what the future holds? One thing's for sure, it's an exciting time to be living in the age of machines that learn. Think of it this way. Imagine you're teaching a child to recognize different fruits. You start with something simple and familiar. You show them an apple and say, "This is an apple." The child looks at the apple, takes in its color, shape, and size. Next, you show them a banana and say, "This is a banana." The child notices the differences and similarities between the apple and the banana. You continue this process with oranges, grapes, and other fruits, each time reinforcing the learning. Eventually, the child learns to identify each fruit based on its unique features. This process of learning through examples is very similar to how machine learning works. In machine learning, we feed computers massive amounts of data and train them to recognize patterns and make predictions. Just like the child, the computer learns from these examples. The more data they analyze, the better they become at their tasks. It's like giving the child more fruits to learn from, making their understanding more robust. For example, let's say you're building a program to filter spam emails. This is a common application of machine learning. You can train a machine learning model on thousands of emails, labeling each one as spam or not spam. The model then learns from these labeled examples. The model learns to identify patterns in the text, sender, and other features to distinguish between the two. Over time, it becomes more accurate and efficient at filtering out spam. Pretty neat, right? This is just one of the many ways machine learning is transforming our world. Just like we humans learn in different ways, machines also have different learning styles. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each type has its strengths and is used for different purposes. Let's explore them one by one. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and use easy-to-understand examples. Supervised learning is like having a teacher guide the learning process. Just as a teacher provides structure and feedback, supervised learning involves guiding the algorithm with labeled data. Imagine you're back in school and your teacher gives you a set of problems with the correct answers. You work through these problems, learning from your mistakes and understanding the correct solutions. You study the problems, try to solve them, and then check your answers against the ones provided. This process helps you learn and improve over time. In supervised learning, we give the computer a labeled dataset, meaning the data is already tagged with the correct answers. This is akin to the teacher providing the correct answers to the problems. The algorithm learns from this labeled data to make predictions on new, unseen data. It's like a student who, after practicing with the teacher's guidance, can solve new problems on their own. For instance, let's say you want to build a program that predicts house prices. This is a common application of supervised learning in the real world. You can train a supervised learning model on a dataset of houses with their features, like size, location, number of bedrooms, and their corresponding prices. The model uses this information to understand the patterns and relationships within the data. The model learns the relationship between these features and the price, enabling it to predict the price of a new house based on its features. This predictive power is what makes supervised learning so valuable in various fields, from real estate to healthcare and beyond. Supervised learning is not limited to just predicting house prices. It is used in numerous industries, such as diagnosing diseases in healthcare, detecting fraud in finance, and even in personalized marketing strategies. The possibilities are vast and continually expanding as technology advances. Section 5, unsupervised learning, finding patterns on its own. Now, imagine a child playing with a box of different colored blocks. The child starts grouping the blocks by color, even though no one explicitly told them to do so. That's unsupervised learning in action. In this type of learning, the algorithm is given an unlabeled dataset, meaning there are no right or wrong answers provided. The goal is to find hidden patterns, relationships, or groupings within the data. One common example is customer segmentation. A company might use unsupervised learning to analyze its customer data and group them based on their purchasing behavior, demographics, or other factors. This helps the company tailor its marketing strategies and product recommendations for each customer segment. Section 6. Reinforcement learning, learning by trial and error. Remember how you learned to ride a bike? You probably fell a few times, ouch, but eventually figured it out through trial and error. That's the essence of reinforcement learning. In this type of learning, the algorithm interacts with an environment and learns by receiving rewards or penalties for its actions. The goal is to learn the best strategy to maximize rewards over time. Think of a computer program learning to play a video game. It starts by making random moves, but through trial and error, it learns which actions lead to higher scores and avoids those that result in game overs. Reinforcement learning is used in robotics, game playing, and even self-driving cars. Section 7. Machine learning in our lives. From recommendations to healthcare, machine learning is not just a futuristic concept, it's already all around us, quietly working behind the scenes to make our lives easier and more efficient. From the personalized recommendations we get on Netflix and Amazon to the spam filters that keep our inboxes clean, machine learning is subtly shaping our digital experiences. But its impact extends far beyond entertainment and convenience. Machine learning is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, leading to groundbreaking advancements that were once considered science fiction. Section 8. Recommending your next favorite song. Ever wondered how Spotify seems to know your taste in music so well? It's all thanks to machine learning. Music streaming services use sophisticated algorithms to analyze your listening history, preferences, and even the songs you skip. These algorithms identify patterns in your musical taste and recommend songs you're likely to enjoy, even if you've never heard them before. It's like having a personal DJ in your pocket. Machine learning also powers features like curated playlists, personalized radio stations, and even song suggestions based on your current mood or activity. So the next time you discover a new favorite song, you can thank machine learning for expanding your musical horizons. Section 9. Machine learning in healthcare, helping doctors save lives. Machine learning is making incredible strides in healthcare, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier, developing personalized treatments, and even predicting potential outbreaks. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect abnormalities that might be missed by the human eye. In drug discovery, machine learning is accelerating the process of identifying promising drug candidates and predicting their effectiveness, potentially leading to faster development of life-saving treatments. The possibilities are truly endless, and machine learning is poised to transform the healthcare landscape in the years to come. Section 10. The future of machine learning, a world of possibilities. As we continue to generate more data and develop more powerful algorithms, the future of machine learning seems brighter than ever. We can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world with personalized education tailored to each student's learning style, or smart cities that optimize traffic flow and reduce energy consumption. Machine learning has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to poverty and disease. It's an exciting time to be alive and witness the transformative power of this technology unfold. Section 11. Keep learning. Subscribe and join the journey. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of machine learning. I hope this video has demystified this fascinating field and sparked your curiosity to learn more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content on science, technology, and the wonders of the universe. Thanks for watching, and keep those brains buzzing.